Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying the essentials. Your iPhone XR must run iOS 13 or newer and have at least 20% battery so it won't sleep mid-flow. Next, turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi because many apps use those radios alongside NFC for background tasks. NFC itself is hardware managed. Once done, position the tag near the top edge of the phone. The reader coil lives there. This gets you into a ready state and avoids wasted attempts when you begin scanning. You'll open Wallet for contactless cards or a dedicated NFC app when you need custom reads or writes. Then, hold the phone steady with the top edge aligned to the tag, press and release lightly, and wait 1 to 3 seconds for the read. If you're writing tags, make sure to select the correct format, NDEF for most devices, enter the payload, and use the app's write and verify steps so the tag is readable afterwards. This controlled process prevents corrupted or partial writes. Complete the flow by confirming the expected action occurred, payment confirmation, URL open, or custom app trigger. If nothing happens, re-scan once. Sometimes the field missed the coil. If that fails, reboot the iPhone and check for iOS updates because background NFC services improve with system updates. Still failing, test a different tag or device to isolate whether the tag or the phone is at fault. One key tip: remove cases thicker than 2 mm and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.